So here are two things that will help you go a second time. And let me tell you, when you can go for the second round, you're like a hero to us. There's a hero when you look between your legs and you see him facing there. You know he's not afraid. No, really though, when a guy can go for 2 rounds, you're just like, damn, this is a real one. I got me a champ. I got me a champ. He's a champ. He's a champ. All right, I'm Arica Angelo. I've been sharing information like this for about 17 years now. And let me tell you, this is the place you want to be to get some real, no BS, just like, tell me the truth, Arica. It's practical, but it's from a woman's perspective. It's a woman telling you the truth about what we want done to our body and to position you to be able to do it. Get it? Position you? My mind just goes like this all the time. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and you like this video. Thanks for being here. So one of the things that you can do when you want to go for a second round is to just put a pause on things. Give yourself a break to breathe. And this is a sneaky thing that you're going to do. You are going to ask her questions and let her just talk. You know, women, we love to talk after sex. We love to talk. Men, not so much. This is and you're like, why do I want her to talk? Because this is what you're going to be doing while she is talking about whatever it is you guys are talking about. She may want to talk about the experience in and of itself, or you may bring her on to another subject. But this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be preparing yourself for that second go round, and you're going to shock her. Like when we get shocked in the bed, it's so exciting for us because we like that sense of adventure. And when you can bring that into the bedroom, that's incredible, especially when you can go a second round. So you're going to have her talking about things, but what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing some box breathing. And box breathing is just this. It's breathing in for a 4 count. It's holding it. It's breathing out for a 4 count, holding it and repeating. So you're going to be doing this in a very subtle way. So you're going to be like, man, it was so beautiful making love to you. So tell me, what part of this did you enjoy the most? And then you just let her go off. And that's where you're going to be doing this. Listening to her, and you're going to be like this. Hold. In. And she's going to be thinking, wow, he's so relaxed. He's so calm. No, you're just preparing your balls for round 2 knockout. I'm laughing because I lived in Thailand for a couple months, and they would always like send the trucks around and be like, Wednesday night, Muay Thai knockout. So you're going to be preparing her for the knockout of a lifetime. So you're going to be practicing that breathing. And so you need to feel comfortable in yourself that you get to interject when you need a break. And I think that's very important. When a man doesn't hold back that information, he's like, let's just chill and talk a little bit. When you have that kind of confidence that you're comfortable in your own skin and you can speak up for what you need, this makes a woman not only feel safe with you, but it makes us actually respect you. It makes us crave you a bit more because you respect yourself. And you know, I have my free resource of this 7 exercises that help you with your own bedroom confidence. It's a free download. You can get it in my comment section. You can get it in my description. But when you have the confidence to kind of speak up for yourself and be like, you know what, like let's just talk about you. I want to really just enjoy this moment right now. But she doesn't know, in the back of your mind, you're prepared for round 2. I was thinking of the LL Cool J song, doing it and doing it and doing it, wow, doing it. And that's what you're doing. You're preparing yourself to be able to do it again. And it's so sexy. Please, in the comment section, for the love of my boy LL, can you just write doing it? Because have you ever, that song is so sexy. It is, that's it. Okay. Focus, Arica. So doing that breathing is going to help you go for a second round. Here's the other thing that's going to help you go for a second round is while she's talking, you're having that conversation, when you're ready to go for the second round, getting yourself excited about it. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to start doing some dirty talk. You're going to start saying dirty things like, it was so nice when I had my fingers in between your legs and everything was so wet. And then I just put like one finger in there and it was so tight. And you're like, that turned me on. That got me so hard. So you're doing dirty talk about your experience with her. What that does is it makes her, I will tell you the exact thing that it does for us. It makes us feel super desirable. That all those little details, it makes us feel special. It makes us feel desired. So when you're telling her in a dirty way what you enjoyed about the experience, what's going to happen is it's going to also get your brain wired to go bring back in business. There is something about having that break, being able to breathe, but then saying very dirty, erotic things to her about the experience that you just had. When you do that, you get your brain so excited to be able to go again. And I have like a full download book that I wrote about dirty talk because I think I'm pretty good at it. I don't know. You can take it for a ride. Tell me what you think. But when you can speak to her dirty, it's in the comment section. It's in the description as well. When you can tell her about the experience that you had and you can be explicit and you feel comfortable, you have the confidence to be able to say those things to her. What you do is you build her anticipation, but it also gets you hard because your brain is thinking of that experience. You're looking at her naked body and you're going to be ready to go for round 2. So I'm going to knock you out. Mama said knock you out. All right, guys, here is a whole playlist of videos to make you into that sex master that you are destined to be. Make sure you watch these videos and come back, literally come back for another round 2 of my videos. Take care.